29th of January 2008. The Minimetro was opened to the public. Perugia moved into the future. It was an unforgettable day, a true celebration for the city, a feeling of pride and satisfaction shared by all those who had worked to complete this courageous, modern and unique project. At the forefront in the field of collective public transport and defined as a light metropolitan system due to its ability to easily blend into a city with complex orographic and urban characteristics, and an urban centre boasting great historical, artistic and monumental wealth, the Minimetro constitutes the fulcrum of a new transport strategy which has transformed the face of mobility in Perugia. This new transport system, connecting the outlying areas of the city with the historical town centre along a fixed 3-kilometre line, represents the latest and most important moment in a strategic policy which has seen the city of Perugia aiming since the 1970s to create alternative systems of urban mobility. The arrival of the Minimetro has also heralded the largest parking interchange in Perugia, the Porta Nova. The choice to construct the Minimetro system was dictated by a series of strategic goals: the reduction of public and private tyre-based traffic, incentives towards pedestrian mobility, the right to mobility on the part of disabled users, the limitation of energy consumption, the protection of the historical and artistic heritage from atmospheric pollution, efficient and rapid connection of areas of the city previously separated, the integration of the local public transport systems. Minimetro SPA, a prevalently public capital company, was set up in 1998 with the aim of planning, constructing and managing the Minimetro. The Council of Perugia, with a quota of 70%, is the major public shareholder. Metro Perugia Scal, private partner with 30%, is made up of Umbria TPL and Mobilità SPA, Leitner SPA, Umbria Domani Scal, SIPA SPA, which also manages the Minimetro car park. The system is that commonly known as APM, Automated People Mover, with cable traction powered by a single electric motor positioned underground in the arrival station. When the carriage reaches one of the final 2 stations, it turns on a rotating platform to reverse its direction, so that it can immediately continue its journey in the opposite direction. The high frequency of transit, a virtually continuous system, and the brief travel time of the entire journey, approximately 12 minutes, make the Minimetro faster than any other means of transport on the same route, be it private cars or public buses. The system is managed from a single central control station. The characteristics of the system: length of route 3,027 meters, rise drop 160.6 meters, projected capacity 3,065 people per hour per direction. There are 7 Minimetro stations, 2 terminals and 5 intermediary stations. Pian di Massiano station, the main gateway to the Minimetro, accessed through the vast new Porta Nova interchange car park, with approximately 3,000 free spaces for private vehicles and further space for tour buses. The large internal court of the station opens onto the Metropolis Business and Shopping Centre. Pincetto Terminal, This underground station represents the arrival point of the Minimetro at the top of the Acropolis. Its particular architectural characteristics provide an evocative view over the valley facing Assisi. A system of escalators and a bold, panoramic inclined elevator, purposely built to accommodate people with reduced motor abilities, take travellers to the heart of the historical centre of the city. The illustrious pen of the architect Jean Nouvel, winner of the 2008 Pritzker Prize, traced a red route winding through the city, allowing it to be rediscovered from an original point of view, as if representing a fil rouge between the outskirts and the historical centre. The stations are elegant, linear and light structures of refined simplicity, a fine example of contemporary architecture which blends harmoniously with the city's inherited past. For Jean Nouvel, architecture is a visual art, the product of images. Both the foreign and Italian press have dedicated and continue to dedicate attention and appreciation to the Minimetro of Perugia, with articles and studies in specialised journals in architecture and in the sector of alternative urban transportation. Thanks to its eco-compatible characteristics, the Minimetro drastically reduces the impact of harmful emissions into the atmosphere on the route along which it operates, compared to the emissions produced by public and private tyre-based traffic travelling on the same route, striving to achieve one of the objectives indicated by the European Community, the 20% reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. The arrival at the Acropolis, at the end of a long gallery dug into the heart of the medieval city, arouses a great and highly unique sense of emotion, that of entering the future by passing through the door of history. Rethinking urban space without distorting it, opening without damaging, this is the motto of those who are designing the future of Perugia. The Minimetro, the main instrument of a new strategic policy for mobility, is just the latest step in an ancient project for Perugia in the third millennium.